Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the accounts and synchronization section, then tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Here you can select if you want to enable the Google backup feature. I'm going to not enable it right now. Then tap accept and account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, just select it here, then tap more, and then remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.